Hey guys, Nathan here with BNC. Another great day full of lean opportunities. Today I'm here at my stand-up desk, and it's almost summertime, so I'm kind of warm-blooded and get warm easily. And today I'm going to install my fan on my desk. So before I just had the fan sitting on the ground, but that really doesn't work with having a mobile desk. So today we're going to install it on the desk itself. All right, here's my desk, and we'll look down here underneath. And before I've just had this fan sitting here on the ground, but with a mobile desk there with wheels on it, it doesn't really make sense to have stuff sitting underneath your desk. You have to move before you can move the desk. So we're going to attach that to the side of the desk there and make it truly mobile. Alright guys, we're back here and the fan has been installed. So I used two screws right there and down there to screw the fan into the side of the desk, and just standing here is much more comfortable now. Now to turn the fan on and off, because I don't want to be like under the desk digging around for a switch that's on the back of the fan, I installed this little push button switch right here, and so it's actually for Christmas tree lights, but it works well in this application. Just knock my foot over there, turn the fan off. When I turn it back on, pop that switch. Works really well, and this will definitely increase my comfort standing here at my desk.